Hello everyone. RRB technician key answer shift 1 24 December. What is the SI unit of pressure? दबाव की SI इकाई क्या है? The SI unit of pressure is Pascal. दबाव की SI इकाई Pascal है. Where and when is the 46th session of the UNESCO World Heritage Committee held? The answer for this question is the 46th session of the UNESCO World Heritage Committee is held on 21st to 31st July 2024 in New Delhi. New Delhi is the correct answer. What is the value of the universal gravitational constant G? The answer for this question is 6.674 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square is the correct answer. How many carbon atoms are present in the pyruvate? The answer for this question is pyruvate has 3 carbon atoms. The structure of pyruvate is C3H4O6 is as follows. Chemical structures. Pyruvate is the conjugate base of pyruvic acid and the as a carboxylic group and the ketonic group and the methyl group. If U is equal to 30 and V is equal to 10, what is the magnification? Magnification formula V by U. 10 by 30, therefore the answer is 1 by 3 is the correct answer. Which party won the Odisha State Assembly election for the first time? The answer for this question is Bharatiya Janata Party has won 78 seats in the Odisha Assembly election 2024 for the first time. Who heads the Defense Acquisition Council? The answer for this question is Defense Acquisition Council is headed by the Defense Minister. The correct answer is Defense Minister. Raksha Mantri. What percentage of the total budget was allotted to the Defense Ministry in Union Budget 2024-2025? The answer for this question is 15% is the correct answer. कुल बजट का लगभग 15% रक्षा मंत्रालय को बजट 2024-25 में आवंटित किया गया है. What is the dispersed phase and the dispersion medium of in butter? The correct answer for this question is dispersed phase is called liquid and the dispersion medium is solid. Which animals have the ability to change their sex during their lifetime? The answer for this question is snails and certain species of fish. What is the scattering of light by colloidal particles called? The answer for this question is the scattering of light by colloidal particles is called Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect is the correct answer. What type of energy does a free falling object possesses? The answer for this question is a free falling object possesses both potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy due to its height and kinetic energy due to its motion. What happens to the total resistance when resistors are connected in parallel? The answer for this question is when resistors are connected in parallel, the total resistance decreases. Decreases is the correct answer. जब प्रतिरोधक समानांतर जो जुड़े होते हैं तो कुल प्रतिरोध कम होता जाता है. Thank you for watching. These are the key answers for RRB technician December 24 first shift.